And there's some breaking news coming in. There's been high drama at Arvind Kejriwal's presser. Congress MLA Asif Mohammed has demanded that an SIT probe is administered into the Batla case. This is the high drama happening at the press conference. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal had in fact gathered the media here today to explain the achievements of his government. This is after being in office for 1 month. But a Congress MLA has disrupted the Delhi Chief Minister's press conference. We understand that his name is Asif Mohammed. He's the Congress MLA from Okhla, saying Kejriwal is playing politics with the 1984 riot and has barged into his press meeting, disrupting it. This Congress MLA right now, these visuals that you see on your screen are of the Congress MLA that has caused this disruption. His name is Asif Mohammed. He's an MLA from Okhla. Arvind Kejriwal was listing his government's achievements, as we had in fact reported earlier, after his government. This government has been in office for over 1 month now. And this Congress MLA barging into the press conference, as we can see on your screens right now, is Asif Mohammed from Okhla. Ankit Tyagi, our correspondent who's been tracking the movements of the AAP very, very closely, now joining us on the phone line. Ankit, tell us what exactly happened. We understand that Asif Mohammed has claimed that the Congress, that Kejriwal is playing politics with the 1984 riots and barged into this press meeting.
Well, Arvind Kejriwal was in the middle of the press conference of the first month of the government completing their term in Delhi. Arvind Kejriwal was addressing this press conference. After he listed his achievements, there were some questions by the journalists. In fact, one question was asked whether Arvind Kejriwal's government will make another special investigation team to look into the cases of the Batla House encounter. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal had made some remarks on the Batla House encounter during the campaign in the Old Delhi area. At that, Arvind Kejriwal said that all those cases have been closed and there is no need for any SIT. Asif Mohammed Khan, he is the Congress MLA from Okhla constituency, under which the Batla House area falls. He started shouting on Arvind Kejriwal. He said that Arvind Kejriwal is bluffing. He is making a fool of the people. He is not serious about issues and he is discriminating against the Muslim. He also said when an SIT can be made for the 1984 Sikh riots after 30 years after those riots took place, why can't he form an SIT to look into the demands of the Muslims as far as the Batla House encounter case is concerned? He also said that Arvind Kejriwal in his manifesto had promised that he will look into the cases, false cases of against the minority community. At this, after Asif Mohammed Khan started shouting, and he was escorted out by other people, those who were present in that hall. But the chief minister on that, he got up and he left the press conference in between, refusing to answer any further questions. This was a controversy. Remember, this was one of the most awaited press conference by the Aam Aadmi Party government. They have completed 1 month in Delhi, and now the Congress, which is supporting the Aam Aadmi Party from the outside, one of their member out of the 8 MLAs coming out and claiming that the Chief Minister of Delhi is playing politics on the issues of the minorities. Right. He's only eyeing the Sikh votes, and that is why the 1984 SIT has been made. But as far as the Muslims are concerned, Arvind Kejriwal is playing politics, and he should, in fact, order an SIT to look into the Batla House encounter probe also, which, remember, Arvind Kejriwal had said that all the cases in the court as far as the Batla House encounter is concerned are closed, and that is why there is absolutely no need for the government to form another SIT. As far as the cases against in the anti-Sikh riots of 1984 are concerned, he said that there are many FIRs that have not been investigated properly, and that is why he had ordered, he in fact is going ahead and forming an SIT to look into that. This has been a very contentious issue. Remember, during the election campaign also, a couple of times Arvind Kejriwal raised the issue of the Batla House encounter. He had said that in the manifesto of the Aam Aadmi Party, that all false cases against Muslim youths, the government, as soon as it comes into power, they will look into it. Asif Mohammed Khan, the MLA from the Okhla constituency, a Congress MLA from the Okhla constituency, remember, one of the 8 MLAs which are supporting the Aam Aadmi Party from the outside, raising the flag against the government, which they are in fact supporting from the outside in Delhi.
Right, Ankit, and we understand that Arvind Kejriwal has in fact left the press. So let's just try and understand what was the AAP's reaction after Asif Mohammed barged into the press conference.
Well, to the surprise of many, those, in fact, all the journalists, those who were present in the room, Arvind Kejriwal, as soon as this disruption took place, got up and concluded the press conference there and then. The journalists tried to speak to him, asked him to stay back because it was not it was not a disturbance created by the media. It was a member of a political party. But the Chief Minister, along with Manish Sisodia, Senior Minister of the Aam Aadmi Party government, got up and he left the conference hall. So many questions were left unanswered. In fact, the question-answer session had just begun, and it was only after 5 to 6 questions that this disruption took place.